What's up, y'all? This is boy G Hustle. Today, we're gonna show you how to fix this shit. This is motherfucking nigga rig 101. When your motherfucking sink is fucked up and you can't put the neck of this bitch on, this is what you do right here. You take your motherfucking cord like this. This right here, right here. This came from this right here. And this is just what you use to spray motherfucking shit down with. But we ain't using that no more because it didn't work. So what you do, you cut the wire of that motherfucker off and you put it in here, right? And then you got to hold it down just a little bit, make sure no wire don't squirt after you did. But I got that in on it. And you turn on the water slowly, because you don't want to spray it your motherfucking self. But see, I can wash my dishes and shit now. So if y'all niggas don't know how to fix some shit and it's kind of fucked up in your home, this is how you do it. G Hustle 101.